Using PrestaShop to build and manage an online store is straightforward and efficient. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Log into the admin panel. After installation, go to your PrestaShop admin panel. Use your credentials to log in and access the dashboard, where you will manage store settings, products, orders, and customers. Add products. Navigate to Catalog, Products to start adding products. Click Add New Product, then fill in details like product name, description, price, and images. You can set stock levels, create product combinations, and add categories. Customize the store's appearance. Go to Design, Theme and Logo to select the theme or upload your logo. For further customization, you can access modules to install add-ons and customize the look and functionality of your store. Set up payments and shipping. In payment and shipping settings, configure payment gateways and create shipping methods. This ensures customers have smooth checkout and delivery options. Manage orders and customers. Access orders to view, process, or manage customer orders. Under customers, you can see registered users and their purchase history. Launch and monitor performance. After setup, launch your store and monitor its performance using analytics under the stats section.